Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup look which is like really a party look, a wedding guest look. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. First I'm going to take my favorite Biotic Morning Nectar Flawless Skin Lotion, which is a moisturizer. I've been using this since a very long time and everybody knows it. This is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance, which is a serum. My concealer, which is from LA Girl Pro Conceal. So today I'm going to take this palette, which is from MIB Professional Makeup USA palette. I'm also going to use this palette, which is from Maybelline, the Blush Nudes, which looks like this. Again, I'm going to take that cream shade and intensify the cream eyeshadow. For the mascara, I'm taking Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is my favorite mascara of all time. Can you see the difference? I'm taking the foundation, which is from MAC, which is a MAC Mineralized foundation. Mineralized Moisture Foundation, which has SPF 15 in it already. So I'm just gonna take one pump of it first. Yeah, that's enough, I think. set my face with this powder, which is from Maybelline Fit Me in New York Matte and Poreless, Matte Plus Poreless powder. For the blush, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me blush, which is like a peach blush. It doesn't have any shade or name mentioned over here. It is like a peach one. Now for the lips, I'm gonna apply some argan oil because my lips are dry right now. Now moving on to the lipstick, I'm gonna take a lipstick which is from MAC, Retro MAC Liquid Lip Color, which is in the color High Drama. This is a very dark lipstick. Now for the last step is going to be the highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm taking as usual Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, which is in the shade 050 Rose Gold. Now I'm going to take a setting spray which is from MAC, which is Prep Plus Fine setting spray, which gives me a dewy look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section and let us know what do you think and what do you guys want to watch more, like makeup videos like this or more hair videos or more natural makeup, so we can do that for you on your request. And I'm really sorry I have not been consistent on YouTube channel lately because I am busy with my exams. So after my exams are over, I'm really gonna be back on track and upload more videos. It's really difficult to study as well as make videos and edit them and upload them. I hope you understand. So yeah, that's it for today. I am signing off. Bye.